One click and everything follows. Take TikTok as an example. Running warm-up actions like browsing, liking, or following, or even comment. Oh, need to log in accounts. Old sync tools can only input the same text, you still have to change each one manually. With MoreLogin, just copy all account info. Choose batch input, and every account logs in with a unique CloudPhone. And what about publishing lots of content? Choose to upload different files and batches and randomly assign them. Then use batch input to edit video copy. All operations only need to be done once, greatly improving operational efficiency. And the warm-up actions only takes one tap instead of hundreds. This is what efficient looks like. Only operate once. The rest, it just follows.